In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Photos. Google Photos is a helpful tool for storing, organizing, editing, and sharing your pictures and videos all in one place. It's designed to make managing your photo library much easier, especially if you use more than one device. If you've ever worried about losing photos or spending too much time scrolling to find one specific memory, this platform can really simplify things. One of the biggest features of Google Photos is backup and sync. This means your photos can be securely stored in the cloud so they're not limited to just one phone, tablet, or computer. Once backup is enabled, your images and videos can be accessed from any device where you sign into your account. That's especially useful if you upgrade your phone, switch devices, or just want the peace of mind of knowing your memories are stored safely online. A good tip here is to make sure backup is turned on so new photos are saved automatically instead of relying on manual uploads. Google Photos also makes it easier to organize and edit your gallery. Built-in tools help you clean things up and improve your images without needing a separate editing app. You can sort through your collection more efficiently, and when a photo needs a quick touch-up, the editing tools are right there. This is great for simple improvements like adjusting the look of a photo before saving or sharing it. Keeping your library organized also makes it much easier to enjoy your photos instead of feeling overwhelmed by them. Another useful feature is sharing. Google Photos lets you share individual photos, full albums, and videos with other people quickly and easily. This can be especially convenient for family events, vacations, or group moments where several people want access to the same pictures. Instead of sending files one by one, you can share a collection in a much cleaner and more efficient way. It's a simple way to keep everyone connected to the same memories. Finally, Google Photos has a powerful search feature that helps you find old photos fast. Using AI and facial recognition, it can identify and group content in a way that makes searching feel much more natural. Instead of scrolling endlessly, you can search your memories more effortlessly and locate the images you want in far less time. This is one of the standout benefits of the platform, especially for larger libraries. Overall, Google Photos is a practical and user-friendly way to backup, organize, edit, share, and search your photos. Once you start using these core features, managing your memories becomes a lot simpler and more convenient.